Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you, Root Labs Alpha Gummies Shilajit Male Enhancement review. So you might be wondering, what is this Root Labs Alpha Gummies that you may be hearing online? So Root Labs Alpha Gummies are a chewable supplement built around the 10-in-1 formula centered on 4,000 milligrams of Himalayan Shilajit per serving, standardized to 75% fulvic acid and containing over 85 trace materials. Now it's combined with KSM 66 ashwagandha, macaroot, tonkat ali, kokshura, black muesli using what the brand calls Sheila Absorb. Now, a delivery method describes as improving absorption compared to standard Shilajit resin. It's marketed towards male vitality, energy, stamina, and general wellness support. Now, it's non-GMO, gluten-free, sugar-free, sweetened with probiotic inulin, so vegan and brand states each batch is third-party tested with an available certification of analysis manufactured in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility. Now, that's according to them. Now, in this case, how do you exactly use this? Now, you take the recommended daily serving here, commonly 2 gummies after a meal, ideally in the morning or early afternoon to support sustained energy throughout the day. Now, the brand recommends consistently use for up to 60 to 90 days or 3 to 6 months per some product pages or to gauge fuller results. As with any supplement combining multiple adaptogens here, checking with a health provider first is worth doing, particularly for anyone on medication affecting blood pressure, blood sugar, or hormone levels, or taking sedative, thyroid, or immunosuppressant medication, since ingredients like shilajit and ashwagandha can interact with those. Now, on the pricing side here, a single bottle, which is a 30-day supply, which is 60 gummies, is listed at around $69. A 3-bottle package is, or 90-day supply, at $59 per bottle, which is $177 total, and a 6-bottle package, 180-day supply, at $49 for a bottle, which totals to $294. Now, each discounted from the high regular price, including free US shipping on multi-bottle orders, and the brand states it's sold exclusively through its official website to guarantee authenticity, and purchases come with a 60-day money-back guarantee. But that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.